Watch mommy do some magic.
Two blackbirds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul.
Mommy's
Come
not.
back, blackbirds, and sit on the wall.
How did mommy do that? Ah! Can you teach me? So guys, I'm going to try. There are two brown birds sitting on a tree. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul.
Okay, come back. Let Peter.
Come back, Peter.